Hi friends, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. This is Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. This is very good problem. A is equal to 1 tan x minus tan x comma show that at into a is equal to cos 2x minus sin 2x sin 2x cos 2x. See, before doing this problem you can recall the formulas. Sin 2x cos 2x formulas already you are done in plus 1 level first year 11th standard. So but question is what in terms of tan. Cos 2x and sin 2x you can recall the in terms of tan. Cos 2x formula, sin 2x formula how can you write? In terms of tan. Right, if you don't know, we know that you can write. What we don't know, always you can write we know that. Sin 2x is equal to what? 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x how can you write? 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Sin 2x another formula also is there, 2 sin x cos x. Cos 2x so many formulas are there. 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Correct or not? Cos square x minus sin square x or 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Because my question is in terms of tan. So I am searching for this all tan. If you don't know also after getting the answer you can see what answer. Some people they will change all sin into cos, they will write cos square x minus sin square x 2 sin x cos. I don't want to write like this. Directly we can attack. Recall these two formulas, slowly we can go, right? Now I want AT, I want A inverse. First A inverse means what? AT you can find out. Who is AT? Sorry, AT is equal to what? First row you can write as a first column. Second row you can write as a second column. Then AT. To find A inverse what I want? Determinant of A I want. Determinant of A is equal to what? AD minus BC. 1 plus tan square x. Somebody they will write secant square x. I don't want to write. I will keep this only because already I know the formulas. I can bring. You can keep as it is. Then A inverse is equal to what? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means what I told. These two fellows you can write. These two fellows you can write. And one stroke I am writing. I don't want to write adjoint of A determinant A like this. So A inverse is equal to directly I am writing 1 by 1 plus tan square x. These two fellows again 1 1. Then these two you can change the sign. Minus tan x. Minus or minus plus. Getting or not? So everything in my hand, available in my hand, AT is there, A inverse is there. Just multiply. Shall I rub off? AT into A inverse is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan square x. I will write outside, nothing will happen. Who is AT? 1 tan x minus tan x 1. Then A inverse is what? This fellow. Same thing. AT and A inverse is same. Very good. Already this 1 plus tan square x I written here. 1 minus tan x multiply what you will get. One into 1 minus tan x into tan x 1 minus. See how nice like getting shape easy. 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Job is over. Then minus tan x minus 2 tan x. This is what? 2 tan x tan x, this is what? Second row, second column. This is what will get minus tan x, 0 getting. Anyway wrong. Inverse. Okay, minus tan square x plus 1. Correct. That is nothing but 1 minus tan square x. So this is equal to what? If I take inside 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. This is what? Minus 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Then this is what? 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. This is what? 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Now write, simplify. This fellow is equal to, already you know formula I written, we know that very first beginning I written, you know. So what you will get? 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x is equal to what? Cos 2x minus sin 2x sin 2x cos 2x. Hence proved. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye.